Hi guys, this is Ali. Today I'm here with you with a new video. The topic of our today video is how to download and install VLC Media Player. So guys, let's start our video. First of all, go to the Google Chrome and we will type now how to download and install VLC Media Player. VLC Media Player on your computer or smartphone. VLC available for Windows, Mac, iPhone and Android platforms. Open the VLC website www.videoland.org VLC in your computer web browser. VLC is a free and open source cross-platform multimedia player and framework that plays most multimedia files as well as DVD, audio, CD, VCDs and various streaming protocols. Select download location if promoted. Doing so will allow the VLC setup file to download onto your computer. The VLC file will download automatically, so if you are promoted for a download location, skip this step. Double click the download VLC setup and click the yes when promoted. Doing so, open the installation window. Select a language. When asked, click the language drop down box and select the language you want to use for VLC Media Player, then click OK to proceed. Click next there 3 times. This will take you to the installation page. Click install is the bottom of the page down, so we are doing so VLC Media Player on your computer. Run VLC Media Player immediately after installing VLC. You can run it by making sure the Run VLC Media Player box is checked and clicking Finish. When you want to run VLC in the future, you will double click the VLC app icon on your desktop to select it from start. Open the VLC Media Player. So guys, this is our today video. Now we will meet in next video. So till next video. Okay, take care. Bye.